how to see text messages remotely on your phone. So if you want to see text messages remotely, then you need to have two devices. So for example, on the first device, what you need to do is you need to simply open up your browser, your Chrome browser or any browser that you are comfortable with, and then you can simply tap on the search bar and you can search for you need to search for messages.google.com QR code. Tap on that search, and here you can go for the first, which is Google Messages for web. Tap on that, and here you will have the QR code, right? So what you need to do is, if you want to see the text messages remotely from this device, then you need to simply open up the QR code here. And on the other device, what you need to do is open up your messages. And once you've opened, make sure to log into your account and then go for the upper right, which has that profile icon. Tap on the account, and then here you will have device pairing option. Tap on device pairing, and from here you can pair your device. So here it says that to pair your device, you need to open Google Messages on your other device, or you can go for messages.google.com or web, and then you need to scan the QR code. So tap on switch to QR pairing, which is on the bottom right or which is on the bottom. And from here, you can tap on QR code scanner, and you need to simply scan the QR code which you have previously opened. And once you simply scan the QR code, you will be signed in or logged into your messages application, and then you can see the text messages remotely on your phone. So that's it. That's the only way to see text messages. So that's it. That's the only way to see text messages on your phone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.